Bullish Dogelon Mars cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market investigators accept ELON could reach $0 2025. Bearish Dogelon Mars market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Dogelon Mars presentation. Dogelon Mars is one of a few Doge-themed crypto tokens accessible last year in 2021. The crypto's makers portray it as a fair general money for individuals and an interplanetary cash utilized by space colonizers. Dogelon Mars isn't just a digital currency, yet additionally a person in a comic series that is accessible for buy as non-fungible tokens. Amusingly, you can get them with Ethereum. Despite the fact that this digital currency has an enormous and energetic local area, there are various motivations to be careful about it. This digital money guide will uncover all that you really want to be aware of Dogelon Mars and its elements. By and by, our essential spotlight will stay on the Dogelon Mars cost expectation from 2022 to 2030. What is Dogelon Mars? Dogelon is a blockchain-based environment used to create and uphold space projects. It is utilized for trading products, making installments, and remunerating donors. Dogelon Mars was sent off on April 23, 2021. In any case, there's no data accessible about the symbolic's maker. It likewise comes up short on white paper illustrating its main goal and targets. Tokenomics of Dogelon Mars environment. Dogelon Mars digital money is known as ELON, and it is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain that was sent off in April 2021. It's called ELON, and it's named after Elon Musk. He is an ally and financial backer in Dogecoin. It has great tokenomics, and Dogelon Mars is recorded on major decentralized trades with numerous symbolic matches. Polonix offers the ELON USDT market pair. In such trades, a record can be opened utilizing a name or an email address. The Dogelon Mars digital currency has circulated around the web via virtual entertainment and acquired media consideration. Individuals have started putting resources into the token. In October, the cost of Dogelon Mars ELON expanded in excess of multiple times and gave a monstrous return. The organization then, at that point, rose to the 150th situation concerning market capitalization. There was no token per sale in light of the fact that it is a fair widespread digital money. Subsequent to sending half of the coins to Vitalik Buterin, the excess portion of the tokens are secured the Uniswap liquidity pool as ELON and ETH matches, which will remain until the end of time. They additionally put 40 ETH in the liquidity pool, worth around $100,000 at that point. Dogelon Blemishes Group then consumed the liquidity supplier tokens they got, keeping them from pulling out or gathering any of Uniswap's liquidity rewards, which will just build over the long run. The Dogelon Mars Group exhibited that they wouldn't commit a floor-covering pull, a crypto trick in which engineers siphon up the worth of their virtual money, pull back however much they can, and dump the task by consuming the liquidity supplier tokens. The Dogelon Mars organizers cannot do so on the grounds that they consumed the tokens they got for keeping assets into the task. Maybe that is the motivation behind why Dogelon Mars presents itself as a venture pointed toward fixing the harm done by cryptographic money tricksters. Dogelon Mars coin outline. The makers of this specific canine coin are obscure, just like the makers of its more conspicuous and laid-out cousin. That is a genuinely normal event for image coins. And financial backers really should practice alert while managing obscure coins to try not to succumb to malevolent practices, for example, carpet pulls and leave tricks. ELON has been available for a long time, making the possibilities of the coin being a trick generally low. In the event that you're pondering where to purchase Dogelon Mars, the top digital money trades for exchanging Dogelon Mars stock right presently are OKX, MEXC, CoinTiger, KuCoin, and DigiFinex. Dogelon Mars current cost. Dogelon Mars is as of now worth $0. ELON has moved 4.28% as of now with an exchanging volume of $3,197,188. Dogelon Mars is as of now positioned 156 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $152,684,626 USD. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Dogelon Mars market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2022. Dogelon Mars, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The ELON cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. Yet it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. ELON is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Dogelon Mars elon cost expectation has a lot of space for development because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives. We guess that the cost of elon will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the elon's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, elon will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. elon might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. elon is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Dogelon Mars effectively supports market feeling among digital currency devotees, the elon coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, elon will be green in 2025. The elon is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the elon cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026 with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, elon has a greatest value worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. In the event that elon figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to assemble the help elon needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2028. While elon is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Dogelon Mars will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme elon cost in 2030 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. And, as indicated by Dogelon Mars cost expectation,